Hi, welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm going to be cooking Baja tacos. We're using some halibut that we had a couple days ago. We had it in ice chest and we'll get ready to fry up some more. So stay tuned. Okay, so before we get started, every good cook washes his hands. Use a good soap. So you don't want to spread germs. Now we're ready to cook. Okay, sour cream. Depending how much people you got, that's how much sour cream you make. I think that's about good right there. What are you thinking? Yeah. Chipotle salsa. We're gonna use that. You could use the whole ones, but then you gotta chop them up. That's good. About a half can for now. A little salt. A little pepper. Just like that. Nice smoky taste. And now we mix. I'm gonna add just a little bit more chipotle because I want to get it like a dark pink. I think a little bit more. I'll just put all of it. There she goes. Give me a spoon so I can taste it. It's good. Okay, we put our chipotle sauce in a squeeze bottle for easy application, and that'll make life easier. And I guess it's worth worth it to put it in this. Okay, we're back. I got some cabbage here, and I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle and trying to get the stock with it. Just like that. I think I'll use this piece. Then I'm gonna take my handy dandy slicer. Put that right there for now. Then I'm gonna slice. Top part, I'm gonna put it right here. Be very careful. 6 stitches in the emergency room for 6 hours. And you see how it comes out? Okay, we're back with some cilantro. It's been rinsed. Always rinse your cilantro. Make sure it's clean, dirt, whatever off of it. And we don't want to chop it up too fine. About a medium chop. I think one more. And that should do us. We'll see you in a second. Okay, we're back again, and we're getting ready to cut up some limes. We're gonna cut it right down the middle, just like that, just like that, just like that. See the difference in a good sharp knife? Goes right through it like butter. And I got my beautiful assistant next to me peeling the potatoes. I peel one, I make her peel the rest. Ain't that right, Jack? Mm-hmm. You know she's real happy about that. Is that right, Jack?
Yep.
Don't kid yourself. She could talk crap like anybody else, boy. Woo.
You want me to say something now?
See? You see? Okay, we're back. My lovely assistant, my wife, Jack, cut me up these potatoes, put them in water, and put a little salt. So that's ready for that process. Now I got the fish, and I guess I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I got our halibut here. I'm gonna add maybe about 3 ounces of water. I'm gonna add a little black pepper, not a lot, about that much. I'm gonna add a little salt. Okay, then I'm gonna use this Louisiana chicken fry. I don't like the fish fry because it's got too much formula in it, and I just don't care for it. Their fish fry is good for catfish, but I like it. I don't like it that crispy because catfish is mushy, and that's how come they gotta be crispy. But I'm giving this a mix. Get all. Now I'm gonna add some of this. Now this is the wet part, just like that. Now I'm gonna mix this up. See, that's exactly what I wanted, just like that, coated all the way through. Then we're gonna do the dry part, dip it in there and fry it. That's just the way I want it, perfect. Okay, now this is the dry part. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper, because I like it peppery. And just a little bit more salt. And that should do it. Now we're getting ready to go outside and fry. Okay, we're outside. We're getting ready to deep fry. Our oil is at about 350. So we're gonna take some, I don't know if you can see. I want you to get a good shot. Okay, we're gonna take this piece of fish, put it in there, there's a couple in there.
Oh, put potatoes.
Yeah, give us some potatoes. I'm gonna put some potatoes in there first. Getting ready to drop that. Got the batter on that. Our potatoes are fine. The fish is looking good. And Jack didn't want to marry me. What I'm going to do with these potatoes is let them sit for a while. Then I'm going to give them a hot shot in a minute. Twice cooked French fries. We dropped some fish, and you see how it's flying. Came out nice. Like I say, I like this batter better. As soon as those fish float, whenever they're done, they've been in there about 2-3 minutes. Let them float for another minute or so. You see how all the fish is floating? That means it's all done. So I'll put this here, let it drain out for a second. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to drop some more fish. Take out our potatoes. Getting ready to drop some more fish. Frying up some halibut. And this halibut came from Cook's Fish in San Francisco. And my son brought it down. We had a good fish fry. And there was a little bit left over, so I'm making fish tacos. All these on this side are, I think they're about done. I'll give it another minute, but they're all floating. Our temperature is right at around 340. I think that's about done. Let that drain for a minute. It looks delicious. I can't wait to eat some.
You want to cover, right?
Just like that. That guy that's floating, that piece that's floating right now, that was the first piece I dropped in. In a matter of a minute, you'll start seeing the rest of them float. Okay, I'm ready to take them out. Okay. So get us a ready pot drink. And I'm gonna start shutting her down.
The seasoning had more flavor.
This one that I made now. Check out those potatoes.
Wow. I think there's enough.
Yeah, it's funny.
Maybe some more fries.
You could.
You using frozen or you
No,
cooking?
regular. Bring that in, Frank. Okay, we got some taco shells. And then we're gonna make our taco. Okay, we're gonna make our taco now. Take a piece of halibut, hot. And it looks good. Then we put our halibut. Then we put our thin sliced cabbage, little cilantro. And then we put our chipotle. Then we give him a slice of lemon or lime. And then we squeeze just a little bit lime on it. Just like that. And we got our test subject right here. Okay, Frank, tell me what you see.
I see some halibut tacos. They look really good. Some nice, what is this, chipotle sauce?
With sour cream.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. The tortilla looks perfect because it's not just warm, but it's got a little bit of a crunch to it.
A little bit of action.
Yeah. Nice, JD. I'm gonna give it a shot.
Well,
Wow, it's good. Everything is perfect. The fish is crunchy, but not dry, and full of flavor. And then the cabbage and that sauce and the cilantro. Awesome, it's great.
really.
Very good.
1 to 10, to what do you give me?
I give it a solid 10, Chichis.
All right, high five with your dirty hand. All right.
Try it, it's good.
Yeah.
Alright.
What we got there, Rock?
Looks like some kind of fish taco. Don't know if it's a tilapia or
Yeah, it's tilapia.
tilapia?
Yeah.
Or flounder, I don't know what it is.
Catfish.
Catfish? No, this is halibut.
Halibut. What do you think? Just tricked it up a little bit, did a different batter, gave it a vinegar bat, and you see how different the meat is, the texture?
Very good.
What do you think, Michelle? Who made a better fish?
What is this?
Really?
What I
1 to 10, guys.
10.
10, Michelle?
99.99.
Disaster, disaster.
Lizzie, you want
Well,
fish
thank you
taco?
very much. Enjoy.
Lizzie, give me